Well, you would think Dino's using autopilot like normal.
Like normal.
But he's actually not. What's happening, babe?
No, we're dead on course.
Just perfectly trimmed sails, I think. You'll find.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Got Jenny on the second reef, full main. Heading out to a little island to join Good Stuff. We've just left Fettier behind us. Just a little jaunt across the bay. I'm a bit crook, but it's nice to be out in the fresh air. And Captain's having a lovely time.
Pretty good. Two more reefs to shake out. It's a bit after.
Got the wind. Bang on 60 ahead. Ooh. This is us on the map. Going a whopping 6 knots. Nice one. I'm absolutely cooked, so don't mind my dull voice, but it's quite exciting what's happening right now. Dino's managed to hook up a preventer so that we can go wing on wing downwind. So I'll show you. Got the main out that side, the preventer line running forward and then up to that winch over there, and Noah out to the starboard side. And sun setting behind us. Pretty cool. We are absolutely flying along too. We've probably only got about 7 knots of wind, maybe 8. And we're doing 4.5. 4.4. In the Marina again. Stock up water, get a few jobs done. Dino's doing one of them at the moment, swapping over the anchor. Eek! Giving everything a clean first. Oh, it looks like he's got the old one off actually. I'll go see. See so far. Anchor's off.
Far so good. Hasn't fallen in the water.
Out with the old, in with the new. That's gonna be our spare one soon. Ew.
Right. Lift it up.
That's where we are. Look at this beast. Just getting put on today.
Jesus Christ.
That's so big, Dino. Yeah, bro. Oh my goodness. What you doing there?
Just a bit of Loctite.
Nice. Is that it?
Yeah.
Almost.
Test it. Goes down and comes back up on the roller.
Yeah. What's you doing, Dino? Catching a snake? I actually think there might be a snake down there. There's like a little black thing.
Deer definitely.
Just there. Oh. That's real pretty. Good night. We've got a bit of a head start. Hey Captain! What we got out there? Do you want to show?
We've got this big front sail.
Stop it.
And this one. This one's an important one.
all the way up, close hauled. We're pointing us about as much as we can into the wind.
Not true, we're at 30 degrees, bruh.
Well, we can't go much more than that.
Yeah, we can go 10.
We're not in America's Cup yacht. Yeah, cruising along, making about maybe 4 knots.
What's the passion us again?
Good stuff. I got the code D on.
Wind
I think they were going to have to go out further.
at 30 degrees, making 3.7, 3.8, and look at our tracks in this Gulf. It's ridiculous. But we've had a real good time exploring it. So much to see here in the Gulf of Fethiye, and so protected. Yeah, it's a mean little spot. Highly recommend. Ew, but it might be fond farewells today. Heading out the other side, southeast tip, the farthest east we will have travelled. In a sailboat, of course. Yeah, who knows when we'll be back.
Let's speed us up.
A little bit.
I think it does. Holy shit.
Ew.
Wow. 4.5. That's powerful.
Did you move the track?
Yeah. So the boom's in the middle again.
Yeah, sick. Keeps us a bit closer to the wind.
We're 5.1 now.
Ew. And that is the sweet sound of sailing, bruh.
That's the table rattling.
Ew.
Close enough.
Aside from that. Heeled over a little bit even.
Yeah, we're spinning up.
How wonky the bimini is. Nah, jokes.
Hey?
Nah, jokes. It's not the bimini that's wonky. Hey, what's up?